Today we're going to be going over an easy and efficient method to do the second two layers of the Megaminx. Now before I start this video, I am going to have to insist that you already know the solution to the Megaminx, as well as the CFOT method for the 3x3, since today we're mainly going to be going over different ways to use S2L in the Megaminx. Now for the first two layers, obviously putting two pieces in at once for S2L is the most efficient way. You'll just have to get better at recognizing which pieces need to go where. Now you're probably used to making these three-piece combinations and then doing that all the way around, and then you'll put in these last pairs, and then that's how you do your S2L. Now I'm going to show you a method that pretty much you just do it all the way around the cube, and you just start with one thing, and then you move around, and then you get to the end, and then there's a couple of special cases for the end, and then you'll be done. Now our first step is going to be to just put one edge in. This edge is going to touch one of the centers of your S2L, and so it's not going to be one of these, it's just going to be like this tan and red. And then next, you're going to put the edge in that's opposite it, so I'm looking, there's pink and red. There we go. So now I have two edges in, and they are opposite. Alright, now I'm going to insert that sort of last layer S2L pair right now. So I'm looking for pink, red, and tan. Pink and tan. So, just by using S2L and logic, get these pieces in, and now that's what you're going to do for your first step. Now we're just going to complete the band all the way around the cube. I would suggest moving from left to right, just because that utilizes your right hand more, which is probably your dominant hand, so you can just manipulate it a lot easier. So next we're going to insert this pair right here. So that's red, tan, green. Alright, so just by using logic, you'll insert that pair right there. Alright, so now we've built all of this, and we've put that pair in. Next, we're going to put just this edge in. So now you see we've kind of started the process all over again. So we've got two edges, put a pair in, put a pair in. Now we have two edges, put a pair in, put a pair in. So my next step would be to get either this top pair or the side pair, whichever one comes easier. So this is already there, so I'm just going to move that in. And then I guess next I'll do this pair right here. So there's that piece is actually already in. And then next I'll get another edge, and then I'll just keep going around until I get to the end. Then I'm going to go over how to insert those last few pieces for the end, because it'll be a little bit difficult. So, as you build the band around the cube, it'll be harder to get those last few pieces in. So I'm going to show you my strategies that I use to get these last pieces in. So, there are three pairs to be put in. There's a pair down here, and there's this last pair to put in. So, first, I've already put these pieces together. This S2L pair is supposed to go here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this twice and then just normally insert it in. And now it's really easy to see that I have that last pair and then that pair. But this one is tough because if I try to sledgehammer it in, as you can see, it just pushes pieces out of the way. So what you're going to have to do is move this out of the way, move it one turn closer. So you see I just moved this closer to the S2L pair. And then now I can sledgehammer it in. And then now it's really easy to see. All I have is two pieces left. Here's my pieces. And there we go. So that's my method for sort of advanced S2L. For more videos, check out my page. I have a ton of tutorials. I hope this video helped you, and for the future, good luck.